which equation is represented by the companion graph. You have this kind of graph here. This one we call it exponential function. Exponential function. If it's an exponential function, we should eliminate choice D. This is not an exponential function. This one is a parabola or quadratic function. Alright? Either A, B, or C. As you can see here, there's no like not lines, or there's no numbers 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So it is this step of like finding numbers and substituting them here to find the value of y. It might not work in this situation. Instead, the best thing, and I always tell my students, to think about the y-intercept first. The y-intercept in this case is going to be the value of this, or the coordinate of this point here is going to be 0, and the x is 0, and y must be a negative number. I don't care about what number it is. It's going to be a negative number. It could be -1, -2, -0.5, a decimal number, but it's going to be a negative number. Okay, this means when x equals 0, y is going to be a negative number. Let's substitute 0 for x and see what's going to happen here. This one, 2 to the power of 0 equals anything to the power of 0 is going to be positive 1. It's going to be 1. So choice A is out. Choice B, -2 to the power of 0. We just got here 2 to the power of 0 is going to be 1, and the negative sign is going to be here. The 0 on top of the 2, it's not on top of the negative. This x on top of 2, not on top of the negative. Alright, it's -1. Alright, I'm not sure if this is going to be the right answer or not. I have to try C first, because I see there's a negative number here. Okay, let's try C with a green color here. So that is 2 to the power of -0, right? Equals what? We know there is no such thing called -0. 0 is always 0. It's not positive, it's not negative. So this one is the same as 2 to the power of 0, which is going to be positive 1. So it seems like it is a choice B. It is a choice. There are a few ways to find this one, but in this particular problem, I'm going to stick with this method here. Work well.